I got too many hoes, I can't fuck them all. I don't know how to play, but I ball. Stacking that money up.
Hey y'all, so it's Kiara Nicole. I'm back again with another video. Go ahead and get into this hydration first, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this makeup look. I went ahead and did my brows off camera, so I can check my other videos if y'all want to see how I achieve those brows. Okay. Go ahead and prime my lids. My favorite, of course, Makeup Revolution shade C1. And use my buffer brush from Real Techniques to go ahead and get that product up in there, okay? So it's pretty much just gonna be just a talk through. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my lips with my Argan Oil lip balm that I received in my Ipsy bag last month. I was feeling something. I guess the song. I've been listening to Megan Thee Stallion like hard as fuck lately, so yeah, that's the reason why you gonna see all the hype in the video, my girl. So I'm gonna start off with the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. I'm gonna use that blue, dark blue shade and put that in my crease. Also, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell for your girl. Check in. You'll know when I release these videos. All right, let's get back to it. So I'm going to get into this Morphe palette. And I'm going to go into those top blue shades right here. So I'm going to use that first blue shade right above that dark blue shade I used from Juvia's Place, and just put that right above, pack that in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and, pretty much create a gradient effect. This had to be some girl, City Girls or Megan Thee Stallion, one of the two. And Ratchet was coming out. All right, so I'm gonna go back into that dark blue shade and just pretty much just pack that color in. I don't wanna lose the color, so yes, honey, we don't wanna work for no reason. So I'm gonna use that second shade in that Morphe palette. I'm gonna go right above that blue shade and pretty much just blend and fade that out. By the way, I'm using all Morphe brushes and e.l.f. as well. Yeah, pretty much Morphe, and e.l.f. brushes for this whole look. I don't really know what inspired this look. I guess I was feeling kind of Cali. I don't know. I was listening to some Nipsey and all the West Coast. So, yeah, it's pretty much inspired this look. Yeah. And as you see right here, I'm fucking up, but I'm gonna get it together. All right, so I'm gonna take that same buffer brush from Real Techniques and pretty much just go back over that cut crease. It's pretty much just make sure it's kind of pat dry, and then I'm gonna use that Real Techniques blending brush and just go back into that same dark shade I had before. Okay, now y'all, I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place Afrique palette and use that blue shade, get my e.l.f. brush and pretty much just pack that color in. Now I'm just going back into my Morphe palette. One of that, I didn't really show this shade. It's like a dark blue shade, and pretty much just creating depth on the outer corners. And then I'm going to use that color from the Juvia's Place palette, Magic, and then just deepening up that dark area of the eye to create some depth. Next, I'm going to take this pretty shade from Laura Sanchez. It's a pretty blue shade. I really don't know the name, but it's like the Moods. I don't know, like halfway in this thing, I wasn't really feeling it, but yeah, it's going to be okay. We're going to pull it together. We're going to get it together. Then I'm going to go back into that blue shade from the Afrique palette and pretty much just pack that back in. Blending out those two colors together. And there we go. Yeah, something had me lit for real. For real. So next I'm going to go in with my eyeliner by e.l.f. Just a black eyeliner. Y'all, oh my god, this is the part that made me so freaking mad, dog. Like, my camera stopped recording. Had no idea, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick back up from, of course I did my makeup, my face, and all that, so I'm just spraying and setting that stuff in. I'm so mad. Alright, now I'm gonna use my liquid lipstick by NYX in the shade 1, NYX Lingerie. And then I'm going to go ahead and just redo my lip liner. Did it the first time, but you know, just wanted to go ahead and do it again. Make it a little bit darker. Alright, so I'm just using some random gloss I got from my beauty spot store. Little cheap clear gloss, and that's pretty much it. Let me know how you feel.